Oh, man, late in a walk. Let me get a bicycle.
No,
I want a bicycle.
it's not time to run the bicycle.
Yes, she is.
Mm-mm.
Yes, she is. Yes, she can. Give me the bicycle, puppy.
You see the snow, Marilexis?
Yeah. It's cold.
It's cold.
It's too cold right here.
It's too cold here?
No.
It has been snowing for about an hour.
Honey?
Yes.
Let me see the snow here.
You see the
look,
snow? Yeah.
a walk.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
You like the snow?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like snow. Oops.
Come here, Marilexis.
It's too far away.
Mm-hmm.
Snow is too far away. I don't get wet, honey. I don't get wet. Honey,
Yes?
I don't get wet.
You don't get wet?
No.
Okay.
It's raining. Honey, it's still raining out here.
Yeah.
Look. What's that noise?
It's a plane.
A plane?
Now starting to stick to some sidewalks and some roads, and of course anything, those elevated surfaces we talk about, bridges and overpasses, are extremely slippery. Let's go to some video we shot as photographer Casey Nichols was cruising the highways and byways around Marietta and Cobb County, and drivers are hitting their brakes when they encountered some of these heavier snow blasts going up the road. And as you can see from some of the video, it's starting to stick on some of the roads. We are now beginning to hear of numerous accidents, especially in Cobb and Cherokee counties, especially on bridges. The accidents are literally pilots trying to deal with the snow.
Well, a lot of people panic, you know, the snow come down, you think they think it's going to be ice, and so, yeah, it's a little harder to get around for folks, so.
As you mentioned, Cobb County Schools dismissing 2 hours early today. I was covering a court trial over there in the courthouse. They said, hey, we may have to adjourn early today if the snow continues to come down. And just talked to someone in the parking lot here. Their dentist canceling appointments for today. So the snow's coming down. It's affecting a lot of lives. We're live in Marietta. Ross Cavett, Channel 2 Action News.
And that's in just a few hours. We will be staying with you throughout the afternoon. Thank you, Ross.
And this just in, DeKalb County Schools is dismissing students early today. Dismissals will start with elementary school students at 1:30. Meanwhile, snow is already coming down in Pickens County. We have a crew there gathering pictures and information. Channel 2's Jade Hernandez continues our live severe weather Team 2 coverage from Jasper. And Jade, how have residents there prepared themselves?
Well, they definitely are preparing themselves. We're live at a grocery store parking lot.
It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We have been under snow since almost 11:30 this morning.